Good evening, all the masters. Now I'll be telling about constipation. We'll be having little knowledge about constipation. It's like a continuous of fasting, and also when you fast, if you won't take much water, you will get constipated. So let's put some light on constipation as well. So what is constipation? Basically, it's a symptom symptom of a body where body bowel movement. You don't excrete, or you won't what is that? You won't have bowel movements very frequently, or it is very hard to expel it. So that is called constipation. It is believed we have to clear every day. Generally, if you are in good health, you have to clear your bowels every day, at least thrice a week. If you are not clearing your bowels thrice a week, it is called as constipation. So, what are the symptoms? Basically, I want to tell, like, constipation is not a disease; it's a symptom of something else. So we have to uh, yeah, we have to think about what are the symptoms of constipation. Yeah, why we get constipation? Constipation due to low intake of fiber. So fiber rich foods, if you are not taking in much of fiber foods, at least 20 to 30 grams of fiber food you have to take every day, like fruits, vegetables, uh, and like cluster beans, those type of fiber foods that mainly it gives you more ease in the digestion of your food intake. So that lack of low fiber diet, and second one will be lack of sufficient water intake. So like sir always says, we have to take we should keep on drinking for 1 glass of water every 45 minutes, or at least 1 hour. Every 1 hour you should keep on drinking 1 glass of water. So if you are not drinking much water, you will feel constipated. And then psychological blocks. So this point we don't know. So sometimes, like, if you are not letting go your past experiences, if you have any bad experiences in your past, or if you are suffering from anything in the past, so if you are keep on thinking about same thing every day, uh, much more than needed, so you will get psychological blocks as well. So due to that, it affects your body. So interconnection we have from these classes, we are learning like body and mind are interconnected, right? So if you are having psychological blocks, that affects your body as well. So that may be one reason. And then less physical activity. So if you are sitting in one position, not doing much of physical activity, that may also leads to constipation. And if you are having acidic, if you are taking much of acidic type of food, that also will increase the constipation in your body. And then sometimes if you are taking any English medicines, that also will affect your gut system, and that may leads to constipation. If you are taking example like iron tablets or something like that, so if you are not drinking much of water, some people may feel constipated. And if your body is not digested well, that also will leads to constipation. So if you are having much of acidity and constipation in your body, all waste in your body, you feel acne, pimples as well in your body. So through that you will know that you are constipated. So what are the treatments? Treatments can be, I will tell acupressure points for treatments. So one point is on face, on the chin, here, with thumb or with index finger. you can press on the chin here for 1 to 3 minutes. Twice or thrice a day, you can do it. This is one acupressure point. So that relieves your constipation. And then on your hand. So with the opposite hand, finger, thumb, you have to press on. I think you can see the points which I have marked. These are stomach points. So you have to keep on pressing on those points for 1 to 3 minutes. You should not have any nails. You should press on that. Or else if you have any acupressure, that pencil type of thing you'll get, no? With that also you can do it, or you can use pencil back. With that you can press on this. This is the acupressure point on hand. These two are the acupressure points. Okay, masters. And this mainly constipation is related with one chakra, that is Manipuraka chakra. Manipuraka chakra, as we all know, this is Manipuraka chakra mainly of fire element, right? So if you have more fire element in your body or blockage of Manipuraka chakra, you will also feel constipated. So you have to activate the Manipuraka chakra whenever you are feeling constipated. Okay, masters. And home remedies. Home remedies are, you should keep on drinking water. So to your body weight into 30. That many ml of water you should be taking. Okay. At least roughly we can say 3 to 4 liters of water. And as I said, you should you should be taking 20 to 30 grams of fiber every day. All fibrous foods and vegetables, salads, those things will help with the constipation. And then if you have heat in your body, heat in your stomach, that also will create constipation. You should try to reduce the stomach heat as well. How you can reduce is red pumpkin, not the white pumpkin. We'll be having red pumpkin, right? So that red pumpkin juice, you can consume that juice every day, half glass, around 60 ml of that juice every day in the morning. If you keep on drinking for 40 days, you'll be you can reduce your constipation. And from my experience, I will say that when I had my first baby, that time when you are newly mom, that time they won't give much water, right? You'll be concentrating more on baby and you won't take much care of yourself. So that time I had severe constipation. Even my son also had, he had to go through constipation because he was having my milk, right? So that time I had taken English medicine, enema, everything. It did not work. Only thing worked is ripened papaya. If you take every day 3 to 4 slices of ripened papaya, that will ease with your constipation. That works like miracles. Whenever I feel like that constipation to any family members, we'll just have ripened papaya. That next day morning, you will have a easy bowel movement. Okay, masters. If you have any doubts, you can raise. If you have any experiences also, you can come forward and share.
Yeah, and for constipation, to get rid of constipation, we have an Ayurveda thing like carom seeds. If we roast them and fine it into powder, and add some ghee and jaggery and make little balls, and if you take like this little ball daily, then that also will relieve from constipation. Even the fennel seeds also good for digestion.